In this video, I'll show you how to allow apps from unknown sources on your LG Smart TV. Step 1. Use the LG Content Store. Press the Home button on your remote. Go to the LG Content Store. Browse and install only the approved apps available there. LG does not officially allow sideloading apps. Step 2. Use a streaming device, alternative method. If you really want to install third-party apps or APKs, use an Amazon Fire Stick, Android TV box, or Google Chromecast with Google TV. Plug it into your LG TV's HDMI port. These devices support installing apps from unknown sources in their settings. Step 3. Use the built-in browser. You can also access web-based apps or services through the LG TV's web browser. Just open the browser app, go to a website, and use web apps without installing anything. What you can't do: you can't directly install APKs like you would on Android. There's no Allow Unknown Sources toggle in WebOS. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more LG TV tips and workarounds.